Hello. Now, I told you I'd make this YouTube video, so I'm going to show you what I showed the class, and you guys were there. This is Veronica and for Annie, and for anyone else too, okay? About recorders. Now, I'm going to use this big recorder, okay? So let's talk about our hands, first of all. We can't play without using the correct hands. Now, the hand that we're going to use to actually play the notes today is this hand, and we call this the window hand. But the other hand is the kite hand. And the kite hand, right hand, is going to hold the bottom. This is how we keep the recorder balanced so it won't fall. We can control it, you know? Now, when you get your recorder, there are some things that you have to do. You have to make sure that the slot right here, let me see if I can get that in focus. The slot, okay, lines up with all of the holes. This is the front of the recorder with all the holes and the slot. That's the front. The back of the recorder only has one hole. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's in focus. Okay. The back of the recorder only has one hole. That's your thumb. Okay? Now, you might get your recorder and it's sideways like this. The slot's right here and there's no holes in front. So what do? You just turn it, okay? You just turn it. Okay, let's talk about holding the recorder and getting our fingers ready. Now, first of all, our kite hand, right hand, holds the bottom. Now, when you're holding the bottom, please make sure you're not covering up any of the holes near the bottom here. Don't cover up any of these holes. And don't cover up the bottom hole, okay? Don't cover up the bottom hole either. All right, so we have our recorder. We're holding the bottom. And then our window hand, we make an L. Now, when we make that L, that means your thumb is going to go in the back. And your first finger is going to find that top hole. Did you notice I didn't look at the finger? Did you notice that I didn't look at the front? You feel it. In recorder playing, you don't sometimes see your fingers, so you feel. So this is finger number 1, and this note is called B. Now, if we put down finger number 2, this note is called A. If we put down finger number 3, this note is called G. Now, when I say fingers, did I take up my other 2 fingers? No. So we add fingers. If we start with this finger, we add another finger. Don't take it up. Don't take this one up. Don't do that. Just 1. Now add 2. Now add 3. And now we have the note G. This is not the note G because we have our 3rd finger down. That is not G. I don't know what that note that is actually. So it's 1, 2, and G is with all 3 fingers and the thumb in the back. Okay? Now, when we put our fingers down, remember, we have to kind of squeeze on the recorder so that we get these circles. I don't know if you can see that circle on your finger. So that's how we do it. Now, let me show you what those notes look like when we put it into recorder fingerings. So, the note B has the first finger on the top hole, yes, and the thumb. Oh, you mean this one on the side is the thumb? Yeah, that's the thumb. The note A has the first 2 top holes, finger 1 and finger 2, plus the thumb covered up. And the note G has 1, 2, 3 fingers covering up the holes and the thumb in the back. So now we know those 3 notes. B, A, G. Hey, they spell the word bag. So yeah, we're learning how to bag our recorder. Okay, one more thing. I have not written this down for you, but I'm going to play our first song, level 1, which is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Wait a minute, am I holding the bottom? Yes. Is my window hand, my left hand, is it making an L? Yes. What does that mean? Thumb in the back, first finger at the top. Okay, let's start with B, A, G, A, B, 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 rest. Rest. Line 2 is 3 A's, rest, 3 B's, rest. Rest, rest. Line 3, third part, is the same as part 1. B, A, G, A, B, 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 rest. Rest. Now, part 4. It only has 5 notes. A, B, A, G, rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. I'm going to put it all together, okay? Here's the whole song, and then we're done. And thank you for watching. Here we go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest. Rest, rest, rest. Okay, before we finish this, I want to talk about squeaking, because squeaking drives our ears crazy. The 2 ways we squeak are not covering up the holes. A little bit of air gets out, a little bit of air, and we squeak. So always cover up the holes so that we have these circles. Now, the other way we squeak is when we blow too hard. So don't blow hard. Blow soft. Remember, a candle in front of your face. A candle. And when we blow on the candle, don't blow it out. Just move the fire, move the flame just a little bit. That's how softly we blow. If you think you blow soft, no. You blow softer than soft. Wait a minute, that's wrong. Blow softer, then that softer. That's how soft you blow. Thank you.